This is an exceptionally cool camera with uses limited only to your imagination. This Blink tilt camera is super smart and so great to have, whether you're looking for adding security to your home, ways to communicate with family members in other parts of your home, or for your pets when you're away. This works so well. It can communicate with your space, it can hear and talk. And all you do is use your phone. Wherever you are, it's connecting to the internet, so you can spin it and tilt it back and forth to look around your space. You get the full picture of anything you want in your space. You can set it up so it'll start recording the moment it notices motion. You can save any videos you do on it. You can talk to people through it. It's incredibly smart. You could have multiple of these throughout your home and just use them however you see best. Now, this one is mostly used for the house dog. So when everyone is away, there is a way to keep an eye on the dog, make sure she's doing okay, she isn't hurt, and if need be, to talk to her. You just hold the talk. Super simple to use. Anyone can use this Blink camera. Add it wherever you want. It also has a tripod connector at the bottom, so you can control that as well. A very cool piece of tech that is limited only to your imagination.